Well, I haven't loaded a video up for quite a while. Thought it was about time I did something. I have recorded a number of videos, but even by my standards they're far too boring to do anything with. So today, don't have any work today, so thought I'd try and go for a ride out to Mahia Peninsula. So, going through Wairoa. Quite a nice town, I still think, even though they have some gang problems here. Certainly a lot going for it. Isn't that a nice view to come around the corner to? So that is the Mahia Peninsula. And somewhere at the far end of it is the Rocket Lab launch facility. But you can't actually get to that. Not without special permissions and whatever else. So I'm not going to try and go all the way out to the end of it. Well, this is the Mahia Beach. Really settled weather at the moment, so probably quite good for a swim for those who have the appropriate clothing. There's not many people around. Nice beautiful sunny day. Bit of a drive through the campsite, eh? Hopefully they won't stop me. Yeah, definitely not my kind of place whatsoever. If you're into these sort of village style campgrounds, you might like it. It seems to have all the facilities, toilets, looks like there's showers in there as well, plenty of toilets. Fish cleaning area, or if your fish are a bit dirty. Kitchen. We've got some units as well. So you don't have to camp, you can stay in a little room. Little shop attached to it, so if you're into that sort of thing, it might be nice. But that's absolutely not what I like. When I go camping so I can get away from everyone, not so I can huddle around together with a lot of other people. But to each his own. And if you want to come and just relax on the beach and things, yeah, I guess it's not a bad place. Yeah, so they must be gradually sealing this whole area. So I'm sure a lot more of it was gravel when I came up before. In fact, I think pretty much all of it was gravel. Look at that. I think over there is the Rocket Lab site. So there we go, this is close as I'll be able to get to the rocket launch site. Which is somewhere just over the hill there. Only in New Zealand would the road to a rocket launch site be blocked by sheep. What a country, eh? Let's look at that view. Definitely makes the ride worthwhile. Look at that. Well, petrol lights on. Got no idea where the nearest petrol station is. I haven't seen one since I've been around here. Probably should have kept a better eye on that. I remember the last time I was here being fascinated by the strata. Just all of the rocks along here are going down on a slight angle. Back through Wairoa again. On the way home after a very hot but successful ride. Yes, it was quite good finally getting to the end of that road as close as I could to the Rocket Lab launch facility. Shame we can't actually get all the way to it, but that would be too much to ask. So what can I say about the Mahia ride? Yes, it's a very nice, very scenic ride. I'm not sure whether I'd say it's a great motorcycle ride, because you do reach the end of the road. It's not a loop or anything, and at the end of the road there's nothing special. There's not even a car park that you can get there and get off your bike and sit around, save for the fact that you made it to the end. But yeah, it's certainly scenic, and now that they're sealing it all, I don't think they're going to be sealing it particularly well. I don't think it's going to be something where you really enjoy the twisties, because it's certainly what they've done so far. It still has very ragged edges and it's very narrow, so it would be risky if you're the sort of person that likes to let loose in the twisty bits. But if you want to go somewhere different with a good view, it's a very nice place. And of course, if you're into camping with lots of people shoulder to shoulder, that campsite looks quite well equipped. Time for me to say goodbye and put on a bit of a montage of the rest of the journey. Till next time, see you later. And what's your opinion on the state of the world? Hey.